Some of the most active stocks for Friday, the 28th of November, 2025. We have NVDA, HBI, BBAI, OPEN, and ASST. NVIDIA down 1.94%. Let's see. A lot of shares have crossed the tape, only behind KTTA. 140 million shares have crossed the tape. We have a position in NVIDIA. Okay, let's see what we have. NVIDIA, so NASDAQ 6 4x options limit jump for IBIT. Okay, does that concern NVIDIA? NVIDIA falls to end a rough month, while history says December will be a relief. Okay, so the extrapolation of its on its daily chart is saying that this weakness is going to remain in place up till the end of the year, into the beginning of January. Nothing to the upside, not even an attempt to challenge the 40-day moving average. Okay, these are just extrapolations. The reverse could totally be the case, or something else totally. It has a pivotal projection of 181.67. If it closes above that, then the chance of it retesting 187.05 may improve. Okay, so the probability of it retesting 185. As a matter of fact, let's begin with its closing price on Wednesday the 26th, which is 180.26. That probability is statistically very quite high, higher than 50%. What of this pivotal projection of 181.67? Let's see, 181.67. Okay, statistically, okay, it's also very high as well. What of this rejection at 187, 186.52, equally statistically high. Um, that of 190.17, equally high as well. But we know very well that it is when they have, for some reason, when they are retracing like this, when stocks are retracing, they probably of them retracing or retesting previous highs. Usually statistically very high, but it wouldn't. Some in a lot of cases you wouldn't see that happening for some time to come. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, since the market has closed, okay, for some reason I'm looking at a post here. Okay. Um, okay, yeah, the market has just closed. Yeah, it was. I think it's a brief day for today. HBI down 1.06%. Haynes Brands 111 million shares crossed the tape. Okay, not exactly known for its volatility. So this is a stock. The stock is trading more than 10 times its average volume. HBI. Okay, HBI. What do we have? Okay, the extrapolation is saying that it's going to maintain the strength it started to build up from the 7th of November. It's expected that trend will remain in place up till the 5th of December. Then after that, it might be a contraction going all the way towards the 26th of December. The 40-day moving average will may serve as a resistance. It's gradually getting there. Projections are saying 5.99, 5.71, 5.54, 6.64 is an upper projection, 6.76, 6.84. Those are upper projections. Previous upper projections were saying 6.65, 6.70, 6.80, 7.55, 7.87, 8.06. This was as of the 29th of October. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any news for, okay, no fresh news, but it has just moved a lot of shares. Yeah, above more than 10 times its average volume. Yeah. BBAI. Okay, let's see what we have. Up 5.8%, 5.48%. Let's see. Okay, 71 million shares. Okay, far cry from its average volume of around 127 million. Okay, well, today's a short day. It may have affected the sort of volumes a lot of stocks have traded. Let's see what we have. BBAI. Okay, so it got a bounce on yeah, exactly last week. Okay, was that yeah, last week, 21st, and the algos are saying that it might maintain that bounce going all the way towards the 22nd of December. Yeah, the 40-day moving average wouldn't may serve as a brief resistance, but they might overcome it. But afterwards, it may contract from the 23rd of December. Projections are currently saying, let's see, nothing to the upside on this daily chart. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see the 4-hour chart. Okay, so yeah, the algos are saying as well it's going to maintain its strength up till the 9th of December, but it might contract somewhat from the 4th of December. Projections here saying, let's see what we have. Upper projections 6.55, 6.81, they're all modest. Downward projections 4.47, 3.7, 3.22. Previous upper projections uh 5.86, 7.5, 8.3, 8.80. Okay, let's see what we had. There's a news, something here. Let's see. Can Big Bear AI fix its margin pressure while scaling Gen AI? Stock has been company or the stock has been okay. I think the company has been facing margin pressure since the start of 2025. The gross margin contracted 240 basis points to 2.28% year over year. Okay. Okay, a couple of fundamentals there. Open stock down 1.67%. Let's see what it exchanged today. It exchanged today. 55.275. Okay, high beta. Okay, just trading right around its volume weighted average price. Okay, it's let's have a look at its options grid. See what people are doing. Okay, these ones expired today, November 28th. So we'll just ignore them. Let's have a look at the December 19 series. Let's see what people are doing. Open interests, yeah. Okay, not a huge lot. Maybe in the coming days things might change. But anyway, in any case, let's have a look at the ones that expired today. Might give us okay. Well, people were surely option traders were bullish today. Were bullish on the stock today. Oh, well, they're bullish on the stock. Yeah, going by this the open interest we have here compared to what we have on the put side. Yeah. Okay, so consolidation, I think, with a distributive bias is expected for the stock. Yeah, with a distributive bias, but the 40 period moving average is expected to maintain, okay, expected to pick up strength from the 3rd of December whereas the stock's trend, the extrapolated trend is bearish, whereas that of the 40 period moving average is more of accumulative. So we see they might interact from time to time, especially from early December. Yeah, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 4.31, 2.87, 1.99. Those are not upper, they are not upper projections. Let's see anything to the upside. If you want to see anything up to the upside, you have to, on this 4 hour chart, it's going to be all the way back to early November, 7.23, 9.42, 10.3, 10.85. Let's see what it has on its daily chart. Okay, yeah, distributive extrapolation. Yeah, 40-day moving average is expected to serve as a staunch resistance. So the stock is not expected to go beyond it. So it's going to be expected to be a volatile, yeah, distributive, yeah, next couple of months, next couple of days. Yeah, expected to continue to retrace or continue to contract. Yeah, continue to contract this expansion that briefly happened. Yeah, from Friday the 20th, from Friday the 21st. So yeah, the downtrend is expected to remain in place. Yeah, or even you could even say the uh, the broader contraction of the expansion that ended. Let's just say maybe on the 17th of September. Maybe this is just that continuation. Okay, projections here. Yeah, there are some projections. Slightly ambitious. 8.45, 8.99. Yeah, underlying trend still remains bullish. Yeah, over the last 6 months, it has done a lot. It has been well. So over the in the short term, yeah, the line trend is strongly bullish, and indeed also in the long term, strongly bullish as well. ASST down 0.88%. Okay, we have a tiny position in ASST. Okay, not a lot of shares across the tape. High beta. Volatility expected to increase in the next coming couple of days. Do we have any news for SST? No news. Okay, here as well, more of the consolidation, volatile consolidation, going all the way towards early January. But the consolidation is expected to get more volatile from towards late December. What could be happening by then? What could be happening by then? Okay, that's what we need to find out. Okay, nothing to the upside from now, as of now. Previous projections went as high as $11.73. It trades a lot of volume, but nothing really comes out of it. I think there must be something there. They are trading. It's well, the lack of volatility does not mean. I mean, I know traders they love volatility, but it's still volatile anyway. Still volatile, but within a very tight range. Yeah, I can see here volatility is saying 152.16. So still volatile anyway. Yeah, but not not the sort that one may have in mind. Yeah. So, but there's something out there. There's way they must be making money out of the stock. There's always something to be made out of every stock, especially any stock that is liquid. So it is a liquid stock, and people are participating a lot. So there's surely people their money is being made and indeed also lost. Okay, have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.